Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. What happens when Bugatti replaces the legendary Chiron? You don't just get a new car. You get the Bugatti Tourbillon, a 1,800 horsepower masterpiece built to feel timeless. The Tourbillon is Bugatti's next-generation hypercar. And it's not just about speed. It's about emotion, luxury, and engineering pushed to the absolute limit. At its heart is an all-new 8.3-liter, naturally aspirated V16 engine, developed with Cosworth. No turbos, just pure engine sound revving up to 9,000 RPM. And paired with 3 electric motors, the total output is around 1,800 horsepower. The numbers are insane. 0 to 100 km/h takes about 2 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 445 km/h with the special speed key. That's around 277 miles per hour. But the Tourbillon is not just a speed machine. Its name comes from high-end mechanical watches. And Bugatti carried that idea into the interior. The instrument cluster is built like a luxury watch, with mechanical dials and incredible detail. Inside, Bugatti avoided making it look like a giant tablet on wheels. Instead, the focus is on timeless materials, craftsmanship, and a cabin that could still feel special decades from now. The Tourbillon also has a plug-in hybrid system and can drive around 60 kilometers on electric power. So yes, this monster can be silent when it wants to be, and absolutely wild when the V16 wakes up. Only 250 units will be made, with pricing around 3.8 million euros before options. Production is expected to begin in 2026. The Bugatti Tourbillon is not just the successor to the Chiron. It's Bugatti saying the future of hypercars can still have soul. Would you choose this over a Chiron? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more car content. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks.